I have been using an old CD to prevent bird collisions on one side of my house. One of the things that was great about moving to this beautiful tree-lined street was these big wonderful windows to look at the view through. But I learned very quickly from bird strikes that I wanted to find a way to avoid them being attracted to the building. The CD moves slightly in the wind and seems to send out a rainbow of different colors by moving slightly. Since I put this up, no bird kills in 3 years. The CD is mounted with string and 3 screw eyes. Here it is from inside. The CD floats about 1/2 inch away from the glass. From the inside, you don't see what the bird sees.